What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Hedera. It's been a while since I spoke about it. Hedera, it's been a while. It's been a very long time. That's simply because Hedera wasn't on my watch list. I didn't know how that happened, but Hedera simply wasn't on my watch list anymore. Maybe I mistakenly took it off something, or but Hedera just wasn't on my watch list, so it's back right now and we shall be discussing about Hedera. So Hedera has actually been holding on very well, but at the end of the day it's still been declining. So I think nothing really much has happened with Hedera, other than the fact that Hedera has been down and Hedera's TVL explode 50% too. That was like probably 15 days ago. And also this happened probably on this based on what I'm seeing right here, this happened 11 days ago, and that is Hedera's response to CZ making the Forbes top 20. Thankful for the recognition of Binance's value, but valuation is just a valuation. Binance CEO CZ has responded to Forbes that reports that okay, this has actually nothing to do with Hedera actually. So back to the chart right here, you could see the market right now still looking bearish. Market right now still looking bearish in a way, but we still have to analyze the market. So right now you could see Hedera still looking bearish. It has obviously broken major support right here, and the major support is this level at 0.0954. It has broken this massive support right here, and with the look of things, it seems like we are most likely going to be heading towards the downside. Now to just make it obvious to us, the next area of support for Hedera is most likely going to be at 0.0748, or let's just say 0.075. This seems to be the next area of support for Hedera, 0.075. So with the look of things right now, I think the best thing, the best advice right now that I can say or I can give to anyone who have plans accumulating Hedera is wait. Waiting is actually the best thing to do, because you could see that there was a very massive spike to the downside from this week right here, and I used to make this known to us that these spikes that happened should not be overlooked. It should never ever be overlooked, because these spikes are actually a signal that okay, we are most likely going to be heading towards that downside. So by majorly looking at the chart right now, I would say that maybe we still have to probably retest this area at 0.095, or probably even reclaim this area by retesting this resistance once more. But at the end of the day, I still think the market is still heading all the way to the downside. Maybe things might happen whereby the market ends up spiking, but right now the fundamentals are obviously not letting that happen. Yes, the fundamentals are obviously not letting that happen. And with the look of things, I would say that the best thing to do is wait for a major breakout. If we're not getting the green light, I wouldn't advise us to get in. Don't dive into into a river or an ocean or a sea if you are not sure if there are rocks there. So right now we are seeing that there is obviously no soft landing if we get into Hedera right now, or the any altcoins right now. Why? Because the market is actually very volatile, and not volatile in the sense of okay, we don't know that the market is supposed to be volatile, but we are trying to maximize profit. So in terms of maximizing of profits long term, volatility got nothing on people investing long term, but it is best to probably invest in Bitcoin spot long term despite the volatility than trying to invest in Hedera in this volatility. Because if you look at Hedera might still get the chance of even dumping all the way down to 0.04 or 0.03 in this bear market. So a lot worse can happen. Even though we are still expecting that relief rally, worse can still happen. We might not see the relief rally at all. So these are definitely possible scenarios we should also have in mind for Hedera. So I think for now, Hedera still looking bearish, as we can see. Maybe we might have to find support around here. I don't know how possible this might be, but maybe we might have to find support around this level. Who knows? So this might also be a case whereby we find support around here, and which is this level at 0.087. Maybe we find support around here, then we can break out, find support and rally much higher. This might also be a very good scenario that can end up playing out, or that might end up playing out for Hedera. I don't know how that is going to be, but that is going to be highly dependent on a very huge news in the market. So it's either we get this move right here, no, we break below this area, retest, and we dump further. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting from Hedera any moment from now. So if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. Guys, have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.